Hello everyone, my name is Akash Borgali and I hold around about 4 years of experience in IT industry, and currently I'm pursuing my masters in data science and analytics course from Munster Technology University, which is present in Cork. And today I'm going to talk about this Python project named as Automated Expense Tracker, which I created for my personal use to track my expense in this country. So let's go ahead and check that project out. So this is the readme file of my particular project. These are certain features that I have added, like you have to give expense. It would take an expense input, then which category it falls under, and it has the capability to give you a summary of by date and by category. And you can also add money. So in Ireland, as I use Forex and AIB accounts, so I can add money into that, and this all things are managed in a particular CSV file. This is my project structure, and let me show you the CSV file as to how it looks like. So these are the details that I'm taking from the input, like date, category, amount, description, whether it's a Forex account or AIB account, and what is the balance left after the initial expense in both the accounts. So let me show you as to how this particular thing goes like. So let me go into this project folder and Python uh, project.py. Yeah, so it has started. So let me go ahead and add expense. So it's 2024. Let's say 01, and let's give 22 as date. Amount spent is 30 euros. Now these are the categories from which I have to choose. So let's say I'm going ahead and groceries. Okay, enter the description: milk and eggs. Okay, so now it asks for from which account you used to purchase this particular item. So let me go ahead and press 2. Okay, and now the expense has added successfully. Now we can enter the second choice, and I would like to go by date, and that should be 15/01/2024. Okay, so there is an error occurred. Oh, okay. So what we can do to, and it should be date, and it starts from 15/01/2024. Yeah, let's leave it as blank. So it gives you a summary saying that how much, what all, what was the total expense, and it gives you into the words, and for each category how much euros you have spent. And if you have to see the chart, it shows you the chart, wherein you can see what all the percentages as to which and how it has been done. Moving on to third, if we can go ahead and add money to in this, so that would be, I would like to go ahead and add money to Forex, I guess. So how much? 2024 01 21. Okay, how much amount? Let's say 400. So it has added. Now I would go ahead and do exit from this, and I can check the balance. So yeah, you can see the balance it has added in my Forex account. So if again I would add 100 euros, so if, let's say, I'm going to add money, uh, I'm going to add 100 euros more. And now if I go ahead and check the balance, So it has added 650. First it was uh, 570, so it has become 670 now. So yeah, and if I give an option 5, that's how the project ends. So this was all about the features about this particular project. These are all things which I have added for my personal use. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you, and do like and subscribe.